Hey guys, this is Ali for Gadgets 360. Now OnePlus has just launched its latest product in the audio segment, and this is the OnePlus Buds Pro True Wireless Earphones. With active noise cancellation and wireless charging, this is the most advanced pair of true wireless earphones yet from the company, and also it's most expensive. But just how good are these earphones? Before we get into the details though, we're going to unbox the OnePlus Buds Pro and I'll also give you my first impressions of these new true wireless earphones. But before we get started with this unboxing and first impressions, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to be notified every time we post a new video. Opening up the box of the OnePlus Buds Pro, and the first thing you will see is of course the charging case. There is a simple OnePlus logo just at the top of the case. There are no other markings on the case itself. Let me just get the box out of the way so we can take a closer look at the charging case to start with. Now opening it up, you will see the OnePlus Buds Pro earpieces. This is the matte black variant as mentioned on the box. You can see that the earpieces are the same color as the charging case itself. Let's take a look at what else is in the box and then we'll get back to the earpieces and the charging case itself. Now opening it up and getting the top cover out of the way, you'll see the first thing in the box is of course the literature. Let me just open this up and we'll take a look at what's inside this pouch. There is a red cable club card which has a QR code which can be scanned for certain benefits. There are a few other leaflets. There's the safety as well as the instruction manuals. The next thing I'll get to is of course the charging cable. It's a standard short USB Type-C to USB Type-A charging cable that can be plugged into the USB port of a laptop or a charging socket or whatever you like. Now getting this out of the way, the last thing in the box are the additional silicone ear tips. Now there are two additional pairs of ear tips in addition to the pair that is already attached to the earpieces. Just peeling this tape away and you will be able to access these ear tips in case you want a customizable fit. That's pretty much it for the contents of the box. Now let's take a closer look at the charging case and the earphones themselves. Now as mentioned, the charging case is small, it's matte black, it's very plain. I don't particularly find it very interesting to look at, but opening it up you will see the earphones. Now as you can see, the top part is matte black, the top part of the casing, and the lower part are the glossy stems, which are essentially where the touch controls are. You squeeze for the touch controls on the OnePlus Buds Pro. There's also a pairing button inside the case which can be used to pair the earphones. Now let's take a closer look at the design of the OnePlus Buds Pro. Now as you can see, these are proper in-canal fit earphones. This is important to maintain passive noise isolation, which ensures effective active noise cancellation, which is present on these earphones. The earphones fit pretty snugly into the charging case, and it's not a very large charging case, but it does have a 520 mAh battery, which is significant for a product of this size. The OnePlus Buds Pro has a USB Type-C port at the back for charging, and there's also Qi wireless charging compatibility on these earphones. The glossy stems on the earpieces of the OnePlus Buds Pro are pressure sensitive and can be used for the controls of the earphones. My first impressions of the OnePlus Buds Pro are largely positive. I quite like the pressure controls. This is a lot easier to control playback and other functions than simple touch controls, since it offers a little bit more precision. Coming to sound quality, the OnePlus Buds Pro sounds great. I like the bass oriented sonic signature. I like the tightness and the refinement of the bass. This is pretty much what defines the sound of the OnePlus Buds Pro right now, but I'll have more details for you on this in our full review. That's it for our unboxing and first impressions of the OnePlus Buds Pro, the latest true wireless earphones from the company. For all things tech, don't forget to log on to gadgets360.com.